lads come up here practically every day. There's always someone here, you meet someone and you're chatting and pass the time. Sheep are here for the pitch. It's great for the grass. That pitch hasn't been fertilised with 11 years, and the grass is as good in that pitch as the pitches are being fertilised there. My father died when I was 3, so I brought a collection of him. There was a next door neighbour of mine. He was a carpenter and he was a hurley maker as well. He died in the World GM, and he used to take me to matches in a horse and trap. I played when I was about 34, I suppose, yeah. That time there was only underage, under 14 it was the lowest level, like, so. I think we won the under 14 51, so that was the start of my winning, and I was sort of a bit slack after that then, like, but I played with the junior team, played a bit of the intermediate team, but they were intermediate for a while. The referee took over then, like. So that was another enjoyable time, and a great time. I did 25 years refereeing. I retired in 1990. I was appointed to the referees committee then, assessing referees, you know, and advising them, like, and so that was great. I enjoyed that immensely. Like, I'm still involved actually in a bit that way. I do a few matches. Like, I love meeting the new lads, you know. Try to put them on the straight and narrow, like, around there. Well, I got an award right from Cork last year, right, yeah, for service to refereeing. So that was nice too, yeah. Unexpected again, like, you know. The GA, I think it's a great organisation. I mean, wherever you go. I go to match practically, any match around midweek, I'd go to it, like, you know. I love the game, like, yeah. Without the GA, I'd be lost.